Okay, so we have an access hole opened up here on the swim spa here in the Villages. And we're going to apply some pressure. So hopefully you can physically see the leak. Can you? Yeah, should be able to.
And there is the water coming back on the back side of it. Sitting right there. Very clear.
You can see it pretty well?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Way to go, Doug.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, baby.
Yep.
We're on to another one.
All right. So we'll get this thing all fixed up. And don't forget, if you should develop a leak in your swimming pool, hot tub, fountain, or waterfall, give us a call here at Ace Leak Detection, 352-243-5800 or 407-521-0020. Been in business almost 26 years, since 1992. Give a 5-year warranty on any minor or, in this case, major repair work. We are a state licensed swimming pool contractor here in the state of Florida. Thank you for watching.